आपके चरण कमल ही एकमात्र अवलंबन है। प्रभु आप ही ऐसा कृपा कीजिए कि आपके वह चरण कमल घर गृहस्थ का काम करते हुए रहने पर भी सर्वदा हमारे हृदय में विराजमान रहें और हम एक क्षण के लिए भी उन्हें न भूलें। कृष्ण जब समंत पंचक में सूर्य ग्रहण के समय कुरुक्षेत्र में जब पधारे, उस समय सुंदर पवित्र समय था। ये कुरुक्षेत्र तीर्थस्थल कहा गया। सप्त मोक्षदा तीर्थ में कुरुक्षेत्र की एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य बताया। मायावती, धारावता, कुरुक्षेत्र ऐसे करके 7 मोक्षदान में मुक्तिदान करने वाले।
So there are 7 places which is going to give you liberation. So at the time the solar eclipse,
उस समय कृष्ण द्वारकापुरी से समस्त मंत्रियों के साथ,
and at the time Krishna from Dwarika with all the Mahishanyas and with all the Dwarikavasis went to Kurukshetra, and all the rishis appeared there because they got the information that Bhagwan is also going to be present there. And all the Brajvasis from Vrindavan, they also appeared from Vrindavan to Kurukshetra. Nanda, Yashoda, Radha and other gopis all got assembled there. Even from Hastinapur, all the Pandavas came there to Kurukshetra. So there was a festival held there. So in Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Sukadeva Goswami Padas, so he is telling the katha which is happening at the solar eclipse in the Kurukshetra. So he described there very nicely. And Bhagwan gave the instruction to the rishis. Bhagwan said, look, after so many births, after performing the Vigraha Seva, you will get the Bhagwan or not. After so many times you perform the Parikrama of the Dham, Bhagwan, you will get the Bhagwan or not. There is a doubt here. But for a while, or for a moment, if somebody get the association of the sadhu, so there is no doubt that he will get Bhagwan. From Bhagwan, with his mouth, he given this kinds of instruction to the rishis there. And after that, one by one, all the devotees, they assembled with Bhagwan. So this is all described there very nicely. Pandav met with Bhagwan, Kunti met with Bhagwan. So when they met with Krishna, so they all were crying because after long separation they met with Krishna. And after that, Draupadi met with Krishna. And after that, the person who came from Braj, the friends of Krishna, Sakha, and then Nanda Yashoda, everybody met with Krishna. So there is a beautiful stories also there, kathas also there. When Nanda Maharaj met with Krishna, Krishna started crying, said, Pitaji, Pitaji, oh father, just like a little child he started crying. Seeing the Krishna, Mother Yashoda, she also started crying. When When Krishna said, Maya, Maya, oh mother, and Mother Yashoda started crying. So both were crying there, just like a little child.
माँ जसोदा उस समय दो शब्द भी बोल नहीं पाई। बस अनेक दिनों के बाद गोविंद के दर्शन से
Now check it's okay. Now check it's okay, I think.
केवल आंखों से आंसू प्रवाहित हुए।
So when they both see each other, so they started
एक
crying.
अपूर्व दर्शन वो था।
That was an incredible sight. At the time,
उनके मन में जो है
Devaki saw him.
कहीं कृष्ण यहीं से ना
Maybe Krishna, Devaki saw that scene and she was thinking maybe Krishna will go from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan.
कुछ शब्द आदि कहें।
And Devaki started saying something.
देखो कि क्या बोले, परोक्ष रूप में ये कहना चाहती हैं कि कृष्ण तुम्हारे पुत्र नहीं है, कृष्ण मेरा पुत्र है।
So Devaki said to the Yashoda, this is my son, it's not your son.
केवल इसको पालन पोषण करने
So I have given to Krishna just for nourishment his own.
ये भाव को व्यक्त
So she was expressing this kinds of feeling that I have given to you this Krishna just because of nourishment.
कौवा जो है
Just like the crow,
उससे बनाते हैं।
he made the nest
कौवा उसमें अंडा देता है।
and they used to give egg there also.
कोयल क्या करता है?
But Cuckoo used to do.
बनाते नहीं।
The koel never make their nest.
कोयल जो है
The he koel,
कोयल के पास आ जाते हैं।
they came to crow and used like caw caw caw
करके
and seeing that
कोयल क्या करता है?
what Cuckoo do, koel do.
कोयल के पीछे लूटता रहता है। हैं? समझ में?
कोयल कौन सा पुरुष कोयल कौवे के पीछे?
हाँ। नहीं पहले से समझे थे। कोयल जो है वो घुसा नहीं।
Yes, koel doesn't make kawa. The crow always make the nest.
कौवा क्या करते हैं? अंडा देते हैं।
And the lady crow used to give the egg.
पुरुष कोयल आ जाता है।
And the purush koel and the he koel they used to came there.
कोयल के मछली के पास आ जाता है। पुरुष कोयल क्या करता है?
I'm just giving the hotspot. Wait. एक मिनट
आगा
रुक
करके उसके पीछे दे। और इतने समय स्त्री कोयल क्या करती है? जब कोयल चला गया और जल्दी जल्दी कोयल के जो अंडा जो है वो नीचे गिरा और दे करके वो अपना अंडा दे।
Yes.
कौन?
Koel. She koel used to give the egg. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8.
और उस समय देकर के चले जाते।
Correct.
और कौवा जब आ जाते हैं तो सोचते हैं उसी अंडे के सोचते हैं कि ये मेरा है। वो था किसका?
कोयल का. Yes.
समझ में नहीं आया?
अरे तेरे जेठ राम.
और फिर क्या करते हैं? कौवा क्या करते हैं?
Then what crow does?
वो अंडे के जो है वो देखभाल करते रहते हैं।
अरे लाइव नहीं पोस्ट.
समझ में आया? वो देखभाल करते हैं।
करो. अरे
जब
हिंदी
बच्चा
का
जब फूट जाते हैं अंडा से जब बच्चा फूट जाता है
when the child comes out from the egg, so the crow's child looks very small.
वो अपने बच्चे को क्या लालन पालन करते रहते हैं।
They used to nourishment their child. The crow used to say, oh, it's my child. So you know what is the story here. Actually what happens when crow used to give the nest, check now it's okay. I think I have given the internet.
तो कोयल क्या करते हैं? उस कोयल की वहीं पर आ जाते हैं, घोंसले पर आ जाते हैं और कुहकते रहते हैं।
और उसके कौवे के अंडे का क्या होता है? बस वो मैं थोड़ा सा बता।
अरे फिर दोबारा बोलो।
नहीं बस नहीं सुना था मैंने, बस कौवे के अंडे का बता दो बस।
कोये के अंडा तो नीचे गिर गया।
अच्छा,
नीचे गिरा दिया।
कोयल गिरा
कोयल गिरा
देते,
दिया।
कोयल, पुरुष कोयल।
कोयल नीचे गिरा दिया।
हाँ ठीक है, ओके।
हैं? आज और स्त्री कोयल क्या करती है?
So what happened? Now I am telling the story.
अंडा दे देती है।
The he koel, they used to come in the nest of the crow, and whenever the crows they fall down the crow's egg, and they put their eggs in the nest of crow. And what happens? So crow is nourishing. Is there? You check. Is there?
अपने अंडे को पहचान नहीं पाते, सोचता है यही मेरा है।
Yes. So crow doesn't understand and discriminate. This is my egg or the koel egg. So what happens? So he is nourishing the child of the koel, thinking that he is my son. So after some time, when the the koel child big grown,
कुएं के घोंसले पर आ जाते हैं।
and the koel they used to come out at the nest of crow. And when the koel they used to cuckoo,
कोयल की तरफ चले जाते हैं।
and they started moving towards koel, and the crow used to say that what is happening there. So the crow used to say that I have nourishment this child thinking that he is my son, and now he has gone there because actually it was the koel child's.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way,
देवकी ये कहना चाहती
so Devaki would like to say that
कहानी के द्वारा ये कृष्ण तुम्हारे पुत्र नहीं है।
the Krishna is not your son.
तुमने तो पुत्र का जन्म
So
नहीं
you haven't given the birth to the Krishna.
जन्म दिया।
You have given the birth to the lady, a child, baby child,
करके आया मथुरा में।
and that Vasudeva carried to Mathura,
कंस ने उसको मारने के प्रयास
and Kans tried to kill her, and then she came to the sky. She gone to the sky,
ऊपर में चली।
and Yogamaya went to the sky.
कंस वसुदेव महाराज देवकी के गोद से लेकर के जब छोटा बालिका को मारने के लिए प्रयास किए
When Vasudeva,
तो थी कौन? जोगमाया।
when Kans tried to kill that little baby, so she went on the sky,
और ऊपर में जाकर के
and she went to the sky and got the 10 forms and said, "Hey Moor, hey foolish Kans, how you can kill me? You cannot kill me. The person who will kill you has already taken the birth. Your death is certain. You will die definitely." Okay.
तो देवकी उसी कथा को
So Devaki is reminding the katha to Yashoda. Hey Yashode, you haven't given the birth to the Krishna, एक लड़की को. You have given the birth to a lady, a baby girl, and she has went to the sky from the hand of Kans. And now the Krishna you are seeing, you are thinking that he is your son. Actually, he is not your son. I have given birth to that Krishna. So Devaki would like to say this. Just like I have given you the example of the crow and the koel. So Devaki would like to say that I have given the Krishna for nourishment only, not it is not your son. It is not your son. So Mother Yashoda didn't listen this story very properly, attentively, because Mother Yashoda, she was so much drawn into the separation because she has seen Krishna after so long time. So whatever the Devaki said, Yashoda was not able to understand because she was so much in the separation. So Rohini came and she said, "What are you saying?" Then so the mother of Baldev, so Rohini Devi said, "Look, hey Devaki, please come. Devaki, come please, because there are many people have come, so we have to arrangement for them. And if you stay here, so how it is possible? Because Rohini knows." So Devaki will say some harsh words to Yashoda. So that's why Rohini Devi, so what she said to Devaki, she tell to Devki, please come, because there are many kings has came, so we have to make an arrangement for them. We have to pay respect to them. We have to welcome them. So we have to make arrangement for food stuff to them. So like we have to do many things for that. So you should go from here. That's why Rohini Devi did. She caught the hand of the Devki and she carried her to the another way. So after that, Pandav met with Krishna and the Draupadi also met with Krishna. But Radha and other gopis, they were so much far, standing so much far from Krishna. When they all met with Krishna, so Radha and other gopis came to Krishna very near. So because everybody is crying there, so Krishna, seeing the gopis, he is giving some sympathy. So the meeting in Kurukshetra there is a speciality in the separation. How the separation comes in the meeting, Sukdev Goswami Pad is describing there. In the Kurukshetra, so at the meeting in Kurukshetra, Shri Radhika and the prominent gopis said, तुम लोगों में से कदापि मैं सर्वदा अलौक नहीं हूँ, ध्यान योग के द्वारा ही मुझे अपने हृदय में दर्शन करने का प्रयास करो. So at the time of their meeting in Kurukshetra, Shri Krishna tried to console the Braj gopis. So when gopis were so much feeling separation in the separation at the Kurukshetra, at the time Krishna when Krishna was giving the sympathy to that gopis, so what he is saying there, hearing their Priyatam's instruction on the Brahmagyan and the yoga, the gopis became somehow angry and sad. So Brahmavakya, like ज्ञान देने लगे उनको उपदेश. So yes, so when Krishna wanted to give in the sympathy to the gopis, so he said he was giving the Brahmagyan to the gopis. So just like the Brahmagyanis, yogis, they used to always meditate upon Bhagwan. So what is the use, or what is the process to get Bhagwan? Just the meditation according to them. So that's why yogi peoples, they used to meditate and take the darshan of Bhagwan. That's why there is no kinds of separation in the heart of yogis. In the same way, Bhagwan said, I am not so far from you, I am so near to you. So you think that I am not with you, actually it's not true. But actually I am always with you. Just like Krishna told so many Tattvagyan, given so many Tattvagyan to them, just like the pots of the soil, it's not different from the soul. Just like if you take the pitcher, it is made by the mud, soil. But you cannot separate the soil and the pitcher. If you separate the soil from the pitcher, so that there is no more pitcher is there. So pitcher is made with the soil, and if you try to separate the pitcher from the soil, so there is no soil, or so there is no pitcher. So if you try to separate the soil from the pitcher, so there will be no more pitcher. So Krishna said in this way,
जिस प्रकार
just
मिट्टी
like
और घड़ा
just like
दूसरे से संबंध
soil and the pitcher is not separated from each other,
उसी प्रकार
in the same way
मैं आप लोग से कभी अलग
I am
नहीं
not separated from
हूं।
you.
मैं परमात्मा हूँ।
I am the Paramatma.
परमात्मा होने के नाते मैं सर्वत्र
Being Paramatma, I am staying everywhere.
अच्छा बताओ
Okay, tell me now one thing.
परमात्मा कहीं नहीं है
Where,
सर्वत्र है
where is there no Paramatma? Paramatma is everywhere.
है कि नहीं
Paramatma is everywhere.
यही तो कहा जा रहा है।
This was Krishna giving the instruction.
उपदेश और कोई बात
So
नहीं।
this kinds of Brahma Gyan he was giving to the gopis, just like a Gyani.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the
कृष्ण
same
कहने
way,
लगे,
Krishna
देखो,
said, look,
ब्रह्म ज्ञान का
you should follow the Brahma Gyan. So, So, on the shining sun of the authorities of the scripture stood, give this instruction of Gyan, Yog somewhere else, we very simply and ignorant gopis say, O shining sun of the authorities of the scripture. So here it is saying, Tattva Acharya Bhaskar, give this instruction on Jnana Yoga somewhere else. Gopis are saying, we very simple and ignorant gopis cannot understand them. So always instruct according to the listeners. Just like the listeners, according to their mentality or their level, a speaker should give the katha instruction. It is commendable to give an instruction that it is suitable to the listener. So you are saying, just like a Brahmagyani, you meditate, stable your heart, I am Bhagwan, I am Paramatma, this and that. Hey Pranath, when we hear this instruction, our hearts begin to burn. Pranath, it is true that the heart of others are the same as their minds, but our hearts are the same as Vrindavan. Krishna want to say that I am everywhere, and Gopi doesn't want to hear that. How you can be Brahma? Please tell. Gopis are saying, how you can be Brahma and Paramatma? You are neither Brahma nor Paramatma.
दूसरों के हृदय मन है, इसलिए गोपियां कहते हैं, ये प्राणनाथ.
Hey Pranath, it is true that the hearts of others are the same as their minds, but our hearts are the same as Vrindavan. So if you go to Vrindavan, we shall consider that you have entered our hearts. So only this will be your completely mercy, nothing else. Braj is not only our heart, it is also your home. Vrindavan, एक कर जाने. जय हो. Where we should go? To Vrindavan. We should go to you should go to your home. Gopis is saying like this. Braj is your home. Braj is your home. So you should come into the Braj at your home. Actually, it is true. Until Jeev will go, Jeev won't go to Bhagwan Dham, he won't get peace. So we are wandering and visiting in this world just because of Maya. So Rog, Shog, there are three tara of Maya, Adhyatmik, Adhidevik, Adhibhautik. So we are suffering from this three tap. But when we go to the Bhagavad Dham, so there will be no more misery. There is Anandamay, there is pleasure only in that Dham. So that's why it is saying, everyone should go to Vrindavan, at your home, at your own place. So in this way, Gopi would like to say, you have been Dwarka, Mathura and Kurukshetra. It's not your Dham. This is the views of Gopis. You are so much suffering there. Why?
अच्छा कृष्ण क्यों दुखित है?
Why Krishna was so much suffering? Why Krishna was so much sad? Why gopis are saying like this? Actually, it is true. Gopiyas knew
कैसे कृष्ण की सेवा करते हैं,
as we serve Krishna and how much we can give pleasure to him, no one else can give like us.
इसलिए कोई जब ठीक से सेवा नहीं कर
So
पाए,
someone is not properly serving, so Krishna will be sad. So that's why Gopi said,
दादी आपके गृह है,
"Hey Krishna, Braj is your home. So please come to your home, back to Godhead."
इसलिए कहते हैं हमारे तुम्हारी पूर्ण कृपा हुई,
So that will be your complete mercy, nothing else.
हमारी मानी नहीं,
Braj is not only our heart, it is also our home. Unless we meet you there, our life heirs will certainly leave our bodies.
इसलिए आप जब तक नहीं आओगे तब हम लोग क्या करें?
So unless you won't come there, so what we can do there? Hey Krishna, please come to Braj.
तुमने पहले
First you sent Uddhav to instruct us on yoga and gyan, and today you are personally giving us this same instruction. You are Rasik. Krishna,
ब्रज गोपियों की ब्रजवासियों की सांत्वना देने के लिए
when Krishna wanted to give the sympathy to the Brajvasi, to whom he sent Uddhav to Braj.
कृष्ण एक पत्र लिख करके दिया,
So Krishna sent one letter with Uddhav,
है?
and what he wrote there?
हाँ सर, उस पत्र में क्या लिखा था जानते हो?
What was written in that letter?
है?
Bhavati na.
सर्वात्मनां न वियोगति, हे भवती माने गोपियां,
Hey Gopis,
आप लोगों के साथ हमारे नित्य संबंध है,
I have the eternal relationship with you.
आप लोगों के साथ कभी मैं
I am not separated with you.
विच्छेद में अलग नहीं,
I am not separated with you.
ये
So he has it was written there. So our Vishwanath Chakripad has written
इसी श्लोक के ऊपर
on this shloka. Uddhav was thinking,
है? हाँ सर, कृष्ण जो लिखा, कृष्ण अपने भावना से
whatever Krishna wrote, he wrote with his feelings, and Gopi
अपने विचार से इसको
pada. So Gopi read that with their own feelings.
है? श्रीला विश्वनाथ
Srila Vishwanath Chakripad is saying
लिखा तो ही है,
everything written is same.
कृष्ण किस भाव से,
So whatever the feeling Krishna had that time, so he wrote,
उसको क्या समझे,
and whatever Uddhav understand that,
गोपियां उसकी
and Gopiya understand differently. Shlok is one,
किंतु
but according to their feelings, their meaning is different.
वो
Arth bhi alag hai.
अपना अनुभव करते,
So they are realizing the different meaning of the shlokas
हाँ,
according to their feelings.
चक्रवर्ती पाद
So here Vishwanath Chakravartipad is saying,
रागनी शक्ति सब स्वरूप
Haladani Shakti Swarupni Srimati Radhika,
उसके प्रेम पर विचार करने लगे, है?
she was thinking on love.
ज्ञानी होने के नाते
Or Uddhav being a Jnani, he was thinking on Gyan, which is called Samvit.
और कृष्ण जो उसको लिखा,
And whatever Krishna wrote there,
उसे किस पर लिखा, भावना
Chit.
किस पर,
Krishna wrote there on the Chit. The Chit feelings, in the feeling of Sandhini.
ये तत्व,
So this is the Tattva Darshan there. This is very nicely explanation given by Vishwanath Chakravartipad.
एक ही श्लोक जो है
So there was a same shlok.
की विचार,
So Krishna's feelings, Krishna's view, Gopi's views, and Uddhav's views are totally different according to their feelings.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Gopis are saying, first you have sent Uddhav,
हमारे हृदय की भावना को समझते हो,
so you are Rasik and supremely compassionate, and you also understand the feelings in our hearts.
तुमसे अपने प्रति निकाल
So why do you speak like this? You know we want to remove our affection for you and place in household affairs, but even after 100,000 of such attempts, we have been unable to do so.
कि संसार में काम में लगो,
So someone is suffering in this world. So what we used to say, please do not go here and there. Keep yourself engaged somewhere. Keep your mind engaged.
मन और कुछ चिंतन,
And if you engage yourself, so you cannot think different things. So that's why keep yourself busy.
जो काम धाम नहीं करता है उसके मन बहुत चंचल होता
Empty minds devil workshops.
है,
It is said.
इसलिए कहते नहीं मन को सब समय क्या
So
करो,
that's why always engage your mind somewhere else.
वो ब्रह्मचारी हो, सन्यासी हो,
even he is brahmachari, sannyasi, vanaprasthi or grihastha. So otherwise the mind will tease you, disturb you.
देख करके वो बात फेसबुक के टक टक टक
So they will show the Facebook and chat.
टक। मन के लगाओ, भगवान में लगाओ।
So engage your mind somewhere,
मन ऐसे है,
because the mind is like,
वो भूत के भूत
it is just like a ghost.
है। काम काम में उसको लगा देते
If you engage him in somewhere, then it's okay. Otherwise it will disturb you.
भगवत चिंतन में नहीं रखो।
If you are not engaging your mind in the
विषय में जाए।
on the meditation of Bhagwan, so it will go to the Vishaya,
मन
sense gratification.
भगवान में लगाओ।
So keep your mind engaged in
विषय में लगा मन को तो
the Vishaya or Bhagwan. If you engage your mind in the Vishaya, then you will be suffering, and if you engage your mind in the Bhagavad Naam, Bhagavad Hari Katha, so you will get pleasure.
हर समय कुछ न कुछ करना है।
So mind cannot be empty anyway. It has to be engaged somewhere. This is the nature of the mind.
कृष्ण गोपियों के यही उपदेश दिए।
So Krishna was giving the same instruction to the gopis. Hey gopis,
मैं परमात्मा होने के
being a Paramatma, I am everywhere. I am with you always.
किंतु आप लोग मेरे लिए इतने विच्छेद अनुभव कर रहे हैं।
But you are feeling so much separation with me. That's why you are thinking that I am not with you.
मैं परमात्मा हूँ।
I am the Paramatma. I am everywhere.
जैसे पहले उदाहरण
Just like I have given the example of earlier.
क्या उदाहरण दिया? मिट्टी के बर्तन
Just like a soil and a soil spot.
उसके आप अलग नहीं कर।
So you cannot separate them.
यदि अलग कर दिया
If you will separate
अलग कर दिया
If you will separate the soil from the pots, so there will be no more pots, only soil there.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
परमात्मा से यानी मैं से आप लोग से कभी अलग नहीं।
so that's why I am not separated from you.
ये समझते हैं ज्ञान योग आदि का नहीं। देखो तुम लोग क्या करो,
So
ध्यान करो।
what you do? You meditate upon me.
महाराज जी कार्य में तो अलग कार्य जो है इसमें तो अंतर रहेगा।
कार्य
घाड़ा में दूसरा कार्य होता है, मिट्टी में खेती होती है, पौधे लगते
वो तो मिट्टी के विकार है।
हैं। घाड़ा में तो केवल पानी ही पी सकते होता है।
हाँ? फिर जो मिट्टी के विकार होते जा रहे,
कार्य में भेद रहेगा।
कार्य में भेद होता है। बात सही है। किंतु यहाँ पर जो उदाहरण दे रहे हैं ज्ञान योगी उदाहरण दे रहे हैं।
Jnana yogis here are giving the example that the Jnani knows that Bhagavan is everywhere. So why you are separating? You are feeling separation from him.
उसमें ध्यान लगाओ तुम्हें
Just you meditate upon him, you will see him everywhere.
जैसे दूध
Just like
में घी है,
there is a ghee in the milk.
दूध में क्या है?
There is a ghee in the milk.
तो घी को देखने के लिए प्रयास करो।
For seeing the thing, you have to try some efforts. There is a process.
घी से जुगाड़ बनाओ। हाँ?
So make the yogurt from the milk,
मक्खन आएगा,
and then you will get butter, and then
गरम
melt that hot, keep hot that.
ठीक उसी
Then
प्रकार
the same, there is a process. So in the
साधन
same
के
way,
द्वारा ही
after performing some sadhan,
दर्शन होता है।
you will get the darshan of Bhagwan.
एक जड़ भी जो वस्तु जो है घी में क्या मक्खन क्या दूध में क्या है? घी है।
So there is, if we have taken the example, this material example, so we can say, so that there is milk, there is ghee in the milk, but there is a process to get that ghee. So without performing, you cannot get darshan of Bhagwan. So that's why you have to perform bhajan and sadhan under the guidance of Guru and Vaishnava.
साधन करना नहीं
If
चाहते
somebody used to say that I don't want to do sadhan, I don't want to chant the holy names, and I will get Bhagwan. No, it's not possible for them. Tulsidas. So you have to perform sadhan. It's not easy.
साधन बिना सत्य वस्तु प्राप्ति नहीं है।
साधन बिना साध्य वस्तु प्राप्त कहू नाय श्रवणादि चित्त कदी करिए उदय.
इसलिए भगवान गोपियों
So
की
that's why Bhagwan is giving the same instruction to the gopis.
देखो देखो तुम लोग क्या करो,
So what you do? You meditate upon me.
इस प्रकार जो भी लोग ध्यान करते
Just like yogis always meditate upon me and get me, and they realize my form, that I am everywhere. In the same way, there is no in this. That's why they don't feel any kinds of misery, sorrows,
है कि
because they know the truth and I am everywhere. The agyani, the people who doesn't have knowledge, so they always suffering.
तब तक ज्ञान जब तक नहीं हो,
Until you will not get the tattva gyan, so the person who are
ज्ञान जब हो जाता है,
the person, they will suffer in this world. But when you get the tattva gyan, so there is no more sorrow. So that's why enter into the tattva gyan.
इस प्रकार
In this way, Krishna,
इस समस्त
so he has given this kinds of instruction to the gopis. So hearing this katha,
गोपियाँ क्या करें?
what are gopis saying?
गोपियाँ ये कहेंगे, अहुष्यते नलिन नाभ पदारविंद,
Ahushate Nalinana Padaravinda. This is the text number 21 in Bhajan Rahasya.
उत्तरवलंबनम,
And
यह शास्त्री मनोसुजात,
it is the text in Srimad Bhagavatam 10.82.48. 10th canto, 82 chapter, 48 number shlok in Srimad Bhagavatam.
क्या बोले? अहुष्यते नलिन नाभ, ये श्लोक या राधा जी,
So Radha ji said this shloka. Ahushate Nalina Nava.
नलिन नाभ,
He Nalina Nava.
कमल नाभ, आप अगाध बुद्ध संपन्न है, बड़े बड़े योगेश्वर आपके हृदय कमल में आपको चरण कमल भाग में चिंतन करते हैं।
So at the meeting in Kurukshetra, Shri Radha and the prominent gopis said,
आप बताओ,
"Oh, you whose navel is like a lotus."
वो भगवान के ध्यान करते हैं कि नहीं? आप तो लोग आप तो समझते हो?
Arth.
संसार में जो suffering from three folds of mind,
So the person who was suffering from the three folds of Maya,
चिंतन आदि करते हैं, ध्यान लगाते हैं, ध्यान
they used to meditate. So they used to meditate of Bhagwan. So they will get the miseries from this all worldly things. So that's why he is saying that you giving this Brahma Gyan to those people,
वो क्या चाहते हैं इस संसार से?
because they would like to get rid from this three folds of get rid of the miseries of three folds of Maya. What happened?
अच्छा चलो, आप कहाँ जाएंगे?
आप करते सुनाई दे रहा है।
It's really hard to translate, you know.
जो संसार में दुखी
So the person who are suffering in this world
मुक्ति चाहते हैं,
and would like to liberate it from this world, so they has to given these instructions.
क्या क्या करें?
So what are the gopis saying there?
एक तो देखो हम तो संसार में नहीं हैं,
So one, we are not from this material
ना
world.
हमारे कोई आसक्ति है,
We don't have any attachment and we don't have any kinds of home because we have sacrificed everything.
पुत्र कन्या आदि,
And don't we have any kinds of son and daughters?
तो हम संसार में दुखी क्या है?
So
जो लोग संसार में पड़े हैं अपने पुत्र कन्या आदि,
So the person who have so much attachment with the material affairs, with their families, with their husband, wife and all, so they will suffer.
दुख के कारण
What is the actually cause in this world? Attachment. Attachment with the worldly things.
है, आप समझ में आ रहे?
Are you getting?
संसार में लोग दुखित किस
Why person is so much suffering in this world?
संसार की अनित्य वस्तु के प्रति हम आसक्ति रखते हैं। आसक्ति जो है,
Shakti, the attachment is the cause of sorrow.
जब वो जान लेते हैं कि संसार के सर्व कुछ
When they came to know all the worldly things is anitya, it's not permanently. Dhan, possession, husband, wife, mother, everything is temporary here. everything will go away. Not only one day they all will go. It will be vanish. Even our body will be destroyed one day.
जिसकी सृष्टि है उसके धर्म
So the thing which is created, so that will be destroyed.
क्या बोलते हैं और जिसकी सृष्टि ही नहीं है
And the things which is not created, so there is no destruction of that things.
सृष्टि नहीं है
There is no creation of Atma. That's why there is no destruction of Atma.
शाश्वत है
Ayo nitya na hanyate hanyamani sharira. This is the
सृष्टि नहीं है
potency. This is the quality of the soul.
भगवान की सृष्टि नहीं है इसलिए भगवान
Bhagwan is not created. That's why he never die and never destruction.
है जो अपराजित वस्तु
So the things which are transcendental, it never destroy.
है जो वस्तु सृष्टि होता है
And the things which is created,
ध्वंस हो जाए
that always destroyed.
यही तो
So this is the nature actually.
एक दिन है एक दिन
One day,
वस्तु जो
one day,
शरीर में जो पंचभूत है
so we have the five elements in our body will be separated.
मिट्टी जल अग्नि वायु आकाश
Mitti, Jal, Vayu, Akash, the five elements body will be destroyed one day. Mix up in these five elements.
अभी ये पांच वस्तु एकत्रित है
Now these five elements is collected, but at the time will come,
आप वो अलग हो जाए
everything will be separated.
जगत के नियम
So this is the rules of this world,
है तो
the nature of this world.
जो ज्ञानी लोग जो होते हैं
So
तत्व
that's why
जो लोग होते
the
हैं
Jnanis, the Tattvadashi people,
उसके लिए वो
they are not
मोहित नहीं
they are not attracted toward these all things, and they are not feeling so much sorrow.
ये बात सत्य है तो गोपियां उसी प्रकार कृष्ण की
Gopis in this way saying,
देखो हमें तो एक तमल संसार है ये।
first we don't have any attachment like
और दूसरी
worldly
हमें तो
things.
संसार के वस्तु के प्रति कोई आकर्षण
Things we don't have any kinds of attachment with the worldly things, like we don't have any
तो
son,
संसार के प्रति आसक्ति नहीं
son, mother, father, because we have everything sacrificed for you. So the person who has so much attachment towards worldly things, and if you are giving the instruction to them, that is useful, but you are giving instruction to so it is useless.
इस संसार से मुक्ति चाहते हैं
Brahma also wants the liberation from this world.
इसमें ब्रह्मा की शिक्षा दो
That's why I give the lesson to Brahma. Oh, Brahma, please meditate.
ध्यान तो किया कि नहीं जो
ब्रह्मा
मुझे पता था।
Brahma meditate.
श्रीमद् भागवत
In the Srimad Bhagavatam it is described, Brahma also meditated. Tapa, tapa, tapa.
क्या तो
Chatushloki Bhagavatam?
श्लोकी भागवत के है ब्रह्मा जी विचार करने लगे
Brahma was thinking
मैं कहाँ से
where I have come from. So when he appeared, so he saw everywhere is water, water, water. So he said, where from I am? So Brahma was thinking, where I have come from.
है
He was thinking like that.
के पकड़ करके नीचे चले गए
So when he took the buds of the kamal and he getting down, 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 but he was unable to understand. So there is a stick of the lotus. So he was going down, 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 and he was not able to get the end. So he came up.
पर कमल के ऊपर बैठ
When he seated on the lotus, so he was meditating.
भगवान ने मुझे किसने सृष्टि
So why I have been created? He was thinking like that. What I have to do?
है तो इतने समय है
So at that time,
दो शब्द
he heard two words. Tapa, tapa, tapa. He heard like this. Tapa, tapasya. Do the austerity, hard austerities. Meditate upon me. Then Brahmaji started meditating, and Bhagavan Narayan manifested in his heart, and he got all the tattva gyan and for the creation.
तो गोपियां उसी प्रकार
So in this way gopis are saying
क्या हम ऐसे धन
why do we meditate? Why are you giving this instruction to us?
हम तो गोपियां सहज सरल बनी भांति
We gopis are very simple. We are gopis very simple actually, you know.
विद्वान जो है
So the person who are jnani is a vidwan. So you give the instruction to them, the Sanskrit Katha. So recite the many shlokas of the Bhagavan. Then jnani will be, oh, very nice shlokas, very nice.
पता ही नहीं है संस्कृत
And that person who is not able to understand the Sanskrit, अरे भैंस के आगे बीन को आ जावे तान कहाँ से आवे, like this.
पता नहीं
ऐसी बात है।
दुकान
पगुला क्या होता है?
पंडित व्यक्ति जो है अपने पंडित
Chewing. So the Pandit people, the learned people always give the instruction to the person who can understand. The person who doesn't have so much knowledge, and if you are giving the instruction to them, giving big shlokas of the Bhagavatam with the shlokas of the Sanskrit, so what's the use of that? Gopis are not ordinary. So Gopis saying like this, they are Gopis is looking very ordinaries, but they are very ordinary ladies, but actually they are not ordinary. They Ved, Puran, Upanishad, who do the stuti in their feet. So gopis are not ordinaries, but gopis are very humbly saying this. These all gopis are Gyata. So these gopis are dancing on the head of the Ved, Puran and Upanishad, but they are very humbly saying, we are Gwalinin, we used to serve cows, we used to make cow patties, we always take the milk from the cow. So why are you giving this so much higher instruction to us? So please give this instruction to Brahma. He is the Pandit. And Gopi is saying another thing. There are two kinds of meaning here. Brahma got the word from where? From the lotus, Padmanav, Padma Yoni. So the stick of the lotus is always touched with the mud. So because the lotus has the relationship with the mud, so Gopi is saying in this way, and Gopi is saying the different meaning. First she is saying that Brahma is very scholar, very pandit. Now she is saying that Brahma is very foolish. Gopis are saying that Brahma is very foolish. He is fool because he has the relationship with the mud. Because he got the bird, he got the bird from the lotus, and lotus is touched relation. Lotus has the relation with the mud, so that's why he is fool. First, we don't have any kinds of sansar. Oh yes, gopis are saying like this. We don't have any attachment with material words, material peoples. So we are not suffering in this world. Gopis are saying we don't have the bodily conceptions, bodily consciousness. What is the cause? What is the cause of this suffering in this world? Bodily conceptions, bodily consciousness. Attachment? We have so much attachment with this body. This is the cause of our sorrow. And everything is, all the kinds of sorrowness is coming from there. And if you will give up, then we won't get. There is no more sorrow. So what is the mool cause or origin cause of suffering of the jivas? Because they have so much attachment towards very bodily things and the things which belongs to body. So how we can detach the bodily conceptions? It is not easy. It's really hard to. It's really easy to say. If somebody abuse you a little bit, so we always came to them, fight with them. If somebody saying some bad words to you, so you will hurt so much. And how you can take the revenge, how you can revert to them, so you always think like that. So this is happening in this world. The mool cause of the fighting is because we have bodily conceptions, bodily attachment. So that's why gopis are saying, when we don't have any bodily conceptions, bodily consciousness, so why are you giving this instruction to us? We always would like to. And another, you said, please always meditate meditate on the lotus feet of Bhagwan. It is mentioned in the scriptures, if somebody meditate on the lotus feet of Bhagwan, so all kinds of sorrow will be go away. So because there are many kinds of chakras in the Bhagwan, so every sign has been beautifully described by Vishwanath Chakravarti. So if you see the Tika of the Vishwanath Chakravarti, you will Brajriti Chintamani. So there are many kinds of signs of the Krishna's lotus feet. So it is described by the Vishwanath Chakravarti very nicely, just like a chakra. So early in the morning when you meditate and remember the chakra, so you will be get rid from the birth and death of this world. So Sansar Chakra, the round that always coming and going in this world. So if you meditate in the sign of the lotus feet of Bhagwan Chakra, so then you will be liberated from this world. So there is no more coming and going, no more birth and death. There is Ankush. Just like for controlling the elephants, what Maheta used to do, Ankush. In the same way, Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Rupi kinds of elephants are in our hearts. So we need control for that. So there is Ankush in the feet of Bhagwan. So we should remember that. So everything is described separately very nicely by the Vishwanath Chakravarti. Gopis are saying like this. If you remember, first Gopis are saying, first we don't have any kinds of attachment in this world, and second, if we remember your lotus feet, so we always feel so much sorrow because you have a beautiful lotus feet. And why the lotus feet? You are wandering in the forest for herding the cows. So Gopis are saying, after meditating of your lotus feet, we feel so much sorrow. When you put your beautiful lotus feet, soft feet on the mud, on the soil, on the ground, and you are chasing the cow, because cow has khur. So wherever they put their feet, there is no problem. In the mud, in the soil, in the thorns, so there is no problem. But your feet is so soft. When you put these feet on the earth, or put these feet in the thorn, so that thorn is stuck in your feet. So thinking that we feel so much sorrow. So that's why we cannot remember your lotus feet. One is Bhamya Bhav. There are two kinds of Vanya Bhav and Dakshina Bhav. Tomorrow we will describe that why Gopis are saying like that. So they are giving the example of Jnani Loks, not the Bhakta. So those are premis. So Gopi is saying that we would like to forget your lotus feet, because you have a beautiful feet. If you remember that, so we feel so much sorrow. That's why we would like to forget that. Very nice shloka they have recites. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Jai Ho. Om Vishnupad Ashtottar Shad Shishmad Bhakti Vedanta Shila Gurudev Van Maharaj Ki Jai.